In this video, I'll show you how to create YouTube thumbnail using a free AI Google Gemini Nano Banana. You know, Nano Banana is a part of Google Gemini. So when you log into your Google Gemini free account, you will get Google Nano Banana. I'll show you the step-by-step method you need to follow to make your highly clickable professional thumbnail completely free and without any types of prior knowledge. You don't need to be a good designer. You don't need to have any types of design skill. Just follow the steps what I'm showing you now. Search here Google Gemini first. So it will land you to this page. If you don't have any account of Google Gemini, you need to first sign up to Google Gemini with your free Gmail account. Then you will be land to this page. This is my Google Gemini free account. Since we want to create a thumbnail, we need to click in the image section. Just click here on the image button and you will be land to this page. And here you see this icon is a Google Nano Banana icon. And now we need to first give our prompt. I will give this prompt in my video description and pin comment so that you can also copy and paste this prompt to make your own thumbnail completely free. So this is my thumbnail prompt. I will use this prompt to make my high CTR, highly clickable thumbnail using Google Nano Banana and Google Gemini. First, create a 1280 by 720 16:9. So this first one is for long form video content thumbnail. And the next one is 1080 by 1920 9:16 is for short form video thumbnail. Since I want to create a long form video thumbnail, I just need to remove this portion from here. And now here YouTube thumbnail image for a video title. Here is a section we need to give our video title here. Let's say I want to give my video title as how to be productive. So this one is my video title. And now the next is the image should be vibrant, high contrast and visually striking. Include bold, short, readable text saying. Here you need to give your thumbnail text. So I want to give my thumbnail text as how I am productive. So this one will be my thumbnail text. And now use a. Here are some of the samples of thumbnail style. The first one is cinematic. The next one is cartoon. The next one is bold vector. I want to use the thumbnail style as cinematic. So I am removing the other portion. And now it is use a cinematic style and make it highly clickable for viewers. And if you want to follow your brand guideline, you can also attach your brand color here. I don't want to use my brand color in this thumbnail. So I am removing it. And now here include image of the host. I need to include my image here. If I want to add this image on my thumbnail, you need to add a close-up and high quality image here. So I'm attaching my image here. I'm clicking here to attach my image. And now here you will see there are a few options for you. The first option is 3.1 flashlight. The next option is 3.1 flash. The next option is 3.1 Pro. I will use the 3.1 Pro. And now click here and let's see what happens. We need to wait a couple of seconds to process and complete my thumbnail. Boom, my thumbnail is ready. See how professional, how attractive this thumbnail is. Now you can download your thumbnail from here. Just click here, thumbnail is downloading. One problem you will be faced, there is a Google Gemini logo here. You need to remove this logo from this thumbnail if you want to use this thumbnail in your video. How we can remove Google Gemini logo from our thumbnail? It's very simple. Just first visit this website. I will give the link of this website in my comment section. And after landing this page, you just need to upload your thumbnail here. I can just click here to upload my thumbnail. So this one is my thumbnail. I want to remove logo and here you see there is no logo here and it has been already removed the Google Gemini logo from my thumbnail. I can just click here to download my thumbnail and click here to open the thumbnail and see this one is my final output of Google Gemini. In this video, I have shown you how to create highly clickable professional YouTube thumbnail using completely Google Gemini Nano Banana free. Now you can also create the same thumbnail using ChatGPT. I have given the same prompt in my ChatGPT account and ChatGPT has been created this thumbnail for me. The first thumbnail was created from Google Gemini and the second thumbnail was created from ChatGPT. Now comment me what thumbnail is looking more professional, more attractive, more clickable. If you want to watch the video how to create a highly clickable thumbnail using ChatGPT, I will give the video link of ChatGPT thumbnail making process in this video comment. You can check it out as well because it is also completely free method to make high quality, highly clickable, viral style thumbnail using ChatGPT. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video helps you, please subscribe my channel. If you have any question, please throw a comment below. I will read and reply your comment.